The A minor pentatonic scale is a must-know for rock and blues soloing. The pentatonic scale is a 5-note scale that we can play in 2 octaves in the 5th position. Let me show you what I mean. So if I start with low E 5th fret, let me count the notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I can start the scale over again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So I played the scale there in 2 octaves. So why play it? The pentatonic scale is the basis for creating melodies, riffs, and even soloing in many styles. We're going to start in the 5th position of the guitar, and we're going to play 2 notes on each string. So on the low E string, the pattern is 5, 8. I'm playing the 8th fret with my pinky, 5, 8. Now let's go to the A string, and it's 5, 7. 5, 7. So my ring finger is going to play the 7th fret. 5, 7. It's the same thing on the D string, 5, 7. 5, 7, 5, 7. Same move on the G string. 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, 7. And we go back to the 8th fret for the B string. 5, 8 with the pinky. 5, 8, 5, 8. And the same thing on high E. 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8. So just remember 8, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8. And always start with the 5th fret. Once you memorize the finger pattern, try moving it around the neck. Now you can play the scale in any key.